What's up and welcome back. Today's test drive, 1985 Monte Carlo. This has got the 350 under the hood. It's also got power steering and power brakes. Anything I see while we're going down the road, I'll let you know. But picking out the flaws for you. That way you know what you get before you get here. 100 detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. That's the rundown. And of course, every Monday we put on new rides. Dual exhaust out the back. I love the color on this car. It's almost a purple. Maroonish purple. Pretty nice interior. All right, now all I need, hit subscribe. That'll keep me doing these review videos for you. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride.
This will be my sacrifice. This will be my sacrifice.
Before we take off, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Tammy like to play on the channel. Haven't tried it yet. This is actually the first time I've driven this ride. I do this so that it's more realistic. That way I'm learning about the car with you. Headliner in this one looks good. Missing the cover. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Showing 85,000 miles on the dash. Looks like we've got gas. We don't have to stop and get that. Oil pressure's up. Engine temperature's on the way up in. Tach's not working when we have a squeaky belt. Wipers are working on this one. Blower motor is cutting on. Radio does work. Engine temperature down there. We'll see if it works. Right now it's on 100. Good deal. Turn signals. Neither one of them are popping up on the dash there. We'll be checking that throughout the video. Horn. Horn works. Let's hit the road. See how she runs and drives. The seatbelt's working, but the seatbelt's a goofball. It's not exactly right. Reverse. Working. Drive. Pretty instant there. Let's hit the road. Go ahead and turn over here. I believe the gas gauge is working. It's on full right now, so we should be able to cruise on over, get some of these outside undercarriage shots, and then do the picking out the flaws segment. That's where I'm walking around looking for chips and rust and dents and, you know, all the good stuff that you need to know about. Not quite 3 o'clock, but we got the traffic coming through here. So I'm waiting on it. Good pickup, nice shift kit in there. Did feel like a one-wheel pill. She's got a lower end gear too. Good throttle response. Getting in those brakes, they feel good. I'm gonna let this guy turn, if he'll ever turn. There we go. Listen to that shift getting in. Oh, revved up higher that time. It was pretty good. She's going straight down the road. I'm not pulling left or right. Nice tight steering. Feels pretty good. Speedo's working. Run, Forrest. Somebody's riding a two-stroke around here. Looking for it. There's a lot of car lots up and down this road here, so they may have had one started, maybe a boat. Definitely smells some racing gas. It's not from this car. Yeah, she's definitely got a shift kit. This one does feel nice and tight. I do hear a little bit of an exhaust leak, and I'll try to pinpoint that. But so far, runs and drives really good. The only thing I can pick is the exhaust leak and a squeaky belt. We're gonna get up here in the parking lot, get some outside shots, and continue this video. I'll be right back. Perfect. Let's head on back to the lot now. So far so good. Engine temperature's at 180, oil pressure's at 30. This car's running and driving good. And I did picking out the flaws segment of the video where we go over all the chips and scratches. The suspension on this one's a little floaty. It feels like a boat. It's the best way to describe it. Got y'all set up on my head cam here so I can see you. We'll hit the brakes. They feel good. Nobody's behind us. Got a good pull there. She spins the tires easily. Nice little bump in the middle of this road. Of course, you ain't gonna feel it. You're not gonna see it. This thing's gonna float across it like a cloud. I'll show you where it's at though. It's right here. Boom. feels good. And of course, we made it back to the lot. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. See you in a minute. Later, guys. All right, picking out the flaws, let's walk around this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Again, detailed pictures, maplemotors.com, financing and shipping, it's all there. Let's get started. Little cracks, front bumper in the lower portion there. A little dirt from the road. Let's go ahead and shut the door off. Little spot there in the back. Little specks there below the keyhole. They may have missed the keyhole there. You got a little bit of stuff up under the paint. Looks like a scratch mark may have been there from the past. This paint doesn't look very old. The sticker needs to be scraped off there. Front windshield looks good. Pillar's good. Up here on top, you got a little bit of trash in the paint. Seal could be glued back better, but it is newer. Over the roof. Back window looks good. Trim looks good. Little spot there. Coming on down with the trunk lid. Little touch-up mark there. Couple dings right here. Coming down this side. Little scuff there in the middle of the door. Light little scratches. Just dirt on the side is coming off. Oh, it's just coming off. Fuzz. Light scratch right here. A bit of trash in the paint, a little bit of glue there. Pillar's clean. Seal's good on this side. Front windshield, oh, got some chips. One right there, and one there. Just a little section of trim, I mean a seal. All right, up here in the front, we got some scratches. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. Door panel on this one looks pretty good. Not too bad. Down the bottom, seal looks good. New jam, pretty clean. Carpet, it's average. It's not new. Spot here. Got my water in the back there. Not your seat here. A little dry in the middle. See a little wear there. They got to shut the door with a little bit of force. Not much. Sounds like one of the gaskets underneath the car. Not up here. Pretty smooth up here. The hood does get a little bit heavy halfway down, but it shuts good. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe. I'll keep making these. Again, maplemotors.com holds all of our inventory, financing, shipping, detailed pictures. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.